Sure, we have more eBay packages. They just came in the mail today, so first I'm gonna open the little one. I already got the label off. I couldn't get the shipping label off the bottom box. I'm afraid I'll just destroy the tape. It'll be like spoiled and stuff. So let's move on. Boxes upside down. What's inside of here? These are EarPods. I got these for older devices. I got this dirt cheap. They're very good. It has a 3.5mm plug. I got the lightning ones right there, but they just don't work with older devices like laptops. And those earbuds are very good. Like, they're better than Samsung ones. I feel like the Apple ones have more bass. The Samsung ones suck. Well, they don't suck, but they're just not as good. I'll say you hurt your ears. Just go directly in your ear canal. Unlike the Apple ear pods. Probably get AirPods one day. But I prefer eBay packages. Yeah, I like the AirPods Max and the AirPods Pros. They're good. The right ones are good as well, though. I like more of the audiophile stuff. The AirPods Max are more like audiophile stuff, too. What's in here? It felt really light. Oh yes, this is light bulbs again. It's a Do-It 40-watt clear round bulbs. Very good vintage bulbs. These are not new at all. Look at that. Those are like 1990 light fixtures. I like these. They're cool. These are hard to find these days. So here's a Philips 7-watt nightlight bulb. For 45 lumens. They're pretty bright for what they are. For accent lighting or whatever. Here's a thank you card. The seller was really happy that I bought these. I'm glad I got these cheap as well. I just bid these online. Oh, there's a white one. Sylvania white. 40 watt. These are 40 watts. Pretty nice, so I don't show the lumens on there. I'm sure they're not like dim though. They're at least like 350 lumens for globe style bulbs. Here's a Westinghouse 60 watt. I really wanted these 60 watts. They're a little bit dimmer than the typical 60 watts. They're not 220 volts. They're just made differently. Yeah, they're just trying to like force you to buy like A19 bulbs or whatever. I don't know. Here's a Westinghouse 40 watt. This is less than like 40 watts though, but it's 120 volts. It's probably like a little heat lamp though, or spotlighting. It's really small. Here's what the bulb looks like. That can easily fit in a lava lamp. I had lava lamps before. I accidentally smashed one of the bulbs. I got so mad I burned my finger from like the metal parts. It gets so hot. Is there anything else in there? Looks like there isn't. Yep, that's it. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bulbs. 6 bulbs actually. So yes, I'm glad I got these. I got these very cheap. And yes, thanks for watching.